Jabi Wajau is a celebrated journalist, mwandiki wa mohoro wendetwo muno na tutanaria ici Jabi atukundia njitikiria nyambe gunyite ugeni ni undu wa guthie na mbere gutwarana na ithue. Jabi Wajau is a celebrated journalist, ni mwandiki umwe wa mohoro wendetwo muno na combination yake ya guthoma mohoro na kenwa kuraya ni acanjamuraga andu muno until tukiona maundu magithukana, tukiona kenwa kuraya gifuto wira no Jabi ageikio behind the scene till recently riria aragikorirwo akiheo kanya ga gucokereria metha ino ya guthoma mohoro. So today she has shared some exciting news na followers zake riria I introduce someone very special in her life, saying she has learned so much from this person. Jabi Wajau was excited to introduce her 93-year-old grandma to the public, akiuga her grandmother just turned 93 years old and still looking this good. Some of her followers matigwetekagia ati her grandma is 93, makimuria kana she is a little bit confused and she maybe is turning 63. Neuria she has some youthfulness in herself, akiuga my grandmother, I call her Wagithore and she calls me Wajau. 96 looks good on you. Deto yagikorwo gikenererwo muno ni followers ake, her introducing her 96-year-old grandma who is very strong and she is a blessed woman. Huyo akimwira 96 and still strong, she is a blessed woman. Kindu giagituma Jabi Wajau akiririkania ati she is still goko site-ini na andu make sure ni maramucheka